Morning everyone, welcome you all. Again we are continuing with chapter 5, that is more on MS Word 2007. Here we have learned so many things, so let's first start the Microsoft Word program. How to start? Go to the start button, okay, all programs, and then Microsoft Office, and then Microsoft Office Word 2007. So your Word will open in front of you. So now I am opening the document that we have already created and we are learning it also. Okay, so I have already explained you about the find and replace feature. I have explained you about the header and footer. I explained you about the working with tabs, how to work with tabs. Now today we are going to learn about the line spacing. Today we are going to learn about the setting margin, and we are going to learn about the setting paper orientation. Okay, so different things we are going to learn, and we will write some shortcut keys also. So let's start. So this is your document. Okay, so here I am explaining you how to change the line spacing. For example, here right now the single line spacing is there. So for changing the line spacing, what you need to do, first select the text. Okay, first of all I am selecting the text. For example, I am selecting till here. Okay, I am selecting this text, and then wait a minute. Then where we have to go, we have to click on the line spacing button in the paragraph group. Now where is the paragraph group present? Paragraph group is present in the home tab. Okay, paragraph group is present in the home tab and in the page layout tab also, as we seen in the previous video. Okay, so in the home tab there is a paragraph group. Here is the line spacing button is present. From here you can directly change your line spacing. From here you can directly change your line spacing. So this is how very easy to change the line spacing, and either you can click on the paragraph launcher option. In the paragraph there is a spacing option is available. In spacing there is a spacing option is available. Here you can change the line spacing accordingly. Okay, so right now I am doing it single line space, so it will convert to single line space again. So this is how you can change the line spacing. It's very easy. By default this is single line space. Okay, by default there is single line space. Okay, now we will learn about setting setting margins. Now when you print your document, okay, whenever you print your document, so you can set these margins also of your page. You can set the margin of your page by default. Let me explain you, and you have to also learn. Okay, these are the very few things you have to learn. These from when I told you that your questions can be from between your chapters. So what does it mean? It means the points, those are important in the chapter. This few points that I have explained in the video, that you have to remember. Okay, just like what are the default margins. So the default top margin is 1 and default bottom margin is 1. Okay, default top margin is 1 and the bottom margin is also 1, and from left also 1, and from the right also it is 1. Okay student, right? So this is the margins, but you can also set your margins according to your need. How to set? Just go to the print layout option button in the document views group on the view tab. You know there is a view tab. Okay, are you able to see? This is a view tab. Here we need to click, and in the document view. Okay, in the document view just click on the print layout button. This is your print layout button. Okay, and to change the left margin, point the margin to boundary. Okay, point the margin to the boundary on the horizontal ruler. Are you able to see? This is the horizontal ruler. Here you can set your margin like this. Okay, you can set your margin like this. Okay, you can set your margins like this. Clear to everyone? Okay, and when the pointer changes to double arrowhead, drag the margin boundary. Just like this. When the pointer changes to the, are you able to see? These are the pointers. Okay. When you change this, like this, you can set the margins according to your need. You want it, see. When the pointer comes like this, just drag this. Your space will increase, your margin will decrease. You want to increase the margin, your margin will increase like this. You want to increase the margin, your margins will increase like this. Okay, your margins will increase like this. Your margins will increase like this. Okay, so this is what you need to do. Okay, so this is how you can increase or decrease your margins. Increase and decrease your margins. Clear to everyone? Okay, so this is how you can increase and decrease your margins. And there are also other ways to increase and decrease your margins. Let me show you. Just go to the, I'm just telling you, whenever you print your document, go to the print preview. Okay, go to the print preview, and in this print preview, just ruler is displayed to you easily. Okay, here are the margin option. You can set your margins according to this also. You want it like this, you want it less margins, then normally it is 1 1 1 1 1, top 1, left 1, bottom 1 and right 1. Okay, but if you want it narrow, you can narrow. Okay, if you want it moderate, you can moderate it. Okay, you can have wide, you can have wide margins, you can have mirrored, you can have mirrored. Okay, you want this, you can also use this. Okay, so for example, you want narrow margin, you can narrow your margin also. Okay, and you can set your margin according to your need also. Like this, you can use the ruler and set your margins according to your need. Okay, you want bottom margin, you can have bottom margin also like this. You can increase or decrease your bottom margin. Okay, so right now I am just removing all these things. Okay, just all changes and coming back to my original document. So this is my original document now. Okay, this is the original document. So you learned about the margins. So when you print your document, you can set your margins according to your need. Okay, according to your page, and then you can print. Okay, so how to print your document? Go to the office button, then go to the print option, select the printer. Okay, and then how you want to print all pages, you want to print current page only, or you want to print by the page number, then also you can print. Okay, and you can have also a print preview before your printing. Okay, for print preview, go to the office button, and in the print option, go to the preview option. Here you can see कि आपका print कैसे आएगा. This will come like this in A4 size page. So you want it in a different type, in a different way. If you want to change its orientation, it can also change. If you want your document like this, then also it will change like this. This is called landscape orientation, and by default it is portrait orientation. Okay, in the landscape orientation, your page will be widthwise. Your page will be lengthwise, and when the length will increase, the page length will increase. Okay, clear to everyone? So there are two types of ways in which you can print your document, in a print layout and in a landscape way, or in a portrait way. So I hope this is clear to everyone. Okay, I'm just closing the preview. Okay. So you have learned about the page orientation also, how to set the page orientation. You can set the page orientation from here also in the page layout. Okay, click on the page layout option and go to the orientation and change the orientation of page. When you change the orientation of page in a landscape, it will be more lengthy. Lengthwise it will be horizontal. Okay, and when you change your orientation like portrait, so it will be in a height wise it will be lengthy. Okay, height wise it will be lengthy. So I hope you all have learned about the page layout also, how to change the page layout options. Okay, now setting the paper size, how to set the size of the paper. So what is the size of the paper in which you are printing, so how to set. In MS Word you can work with different size of paper, but available selection depend on type of printer you use. लेकिन सिलेक्शन किसके ऊपर होगा, डिपेंड करता है विच टाइप ऑफ प्रिंटर यू यूजिंग एंड विच टाइप ऑफ पेज इट इज एक्सेप्टिंग. Okay, तो प्रिंटर पेजेस आर आल्सो ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप लाइक A3 साइज पेज, A4 साइज पेज, A2 साइज पेज, like this. Okay, letter size page. So this is the different ways of pages are available, but it also depends on your printer that is attached with your computer system. Okay, so you have to go to the page setup. Okay, you have to go to the page setup button, page layout. Okay, where we have to go? We have to go to the page layout. Okay, and there is a page setup button. Somewhere it is a page setup button. Page setup group. In the page setup group there is a size option. Okay, this is the size option. So there are these are the number of sizes available of the pages, like A4 size page. Okay, A4 size page is a page that you are using in a regular way. Okay, that is your A4 size page. Okay, if you will choose A3 size page, A3 size page is bigger than A4 size page. 2 pages are equal to 1 page. 2 or 3 pages are equal to 1 page of your A4 size. Okay, so A4 size is bigger. It is wider also and it is lengthier also than your A3 size. Okay, your tabloid size. Okay, this is also a different size. Letter size is small size. It's just similar to the A4 size. Okay, very little difference is there between the A4 size and A4 size and A size. Are you able to see 8.5 into 11? Okay, so it is 8.27 into 11.68, 69. So approximate. It's approximate. Okay, A5 page is also there. It's very small page. A5 size page is very small page. It is smaller than the A4 size. Okay, it is smaller than the A4 size. Okay, and this is also a page that is of different size. It depends on the size, length and width wise जो size है उसके पर depend करता है. Okay, B4 page. Okay, B4 size and B5 size page is also there. Okay, this is a difference between the size only. The name is different. It's because of size. And this is your Japanese postcard. Okay, so this is a postcard shape of pages are available here. This is postcard. It's very small postcards are available. Okay, so this is there. So it also depends. It will print only when you have a printer like this. If you have a printer like this that is accepting these type of pages, then only you can apply these type of pages. Okay, so I hope you have learned about it. You have learned the difference between the pages. Okay, so let's learn about the previewing of document. Previewing of document, I have already explained you how to preview your document. Okay, let me explain again about the preview document because some topics are left there. So let's do it. Okay, so I'm just selecting the A4 size page that we by default. By default it is a portrait form. Okay, so we have to go to where? In the office button. Okay, in the print option, and there is a print preview. As you open the print preview, okay, there are the zoom button is also there. Okay, in the zoom button you can see your page according to your size. Okay, you want it 200%, so it will be 200%. Okay, you can zoom your page according to your need. Okay, zoom your page according to your need. Okay, and you can change its percentage. Okay, you want to see in 1 page, you want to see in 2 page, you want to see in page width. Okay, so in which type you want to see it, you can see. So what are the different views that of your page are 1 page view, 2 page view and page width view. Okay, in these type of pages you can see. Okay, so these are the options that I have to explain you, that is very important. Okay, in print preview. So let's close this print preview, come back to the document. Okay, so now we will learn about the printing of document. How to print, I have already explained you. So let's explain again. Go to the start again office button, go to the print option, your print dialog box will appear. Okay, and in the name just select the printer that you in which you want to print. Right now this computer have no printer attached, so I have to select the printer that we are attached with. Okay, if you want to print all pages, so in the page range just select all. If you want to print only current page, you want to current page means where the cursor is already present. Okay, that is the active page. Okay, so current page will be printed, and in the pages you have to write the name of the page. For example, you want to print 1 page number 1, page number 2, or 1 by 3, only 1 by 3 pages, 1, 2 and 3 pages you want to print. Okay, so you can print. Okay, and number of copies also here. Number of copies means you want to print 2 copies of each page, so you can have 2 copies of each page. Okay, and okay, so this is how, these are the main options available for the printing of the document, and then click on the OK. Your page will go for the print and it will be printed. Right now it have no printer, that's why it's not showing it like this. Okay, so this is all in this your chapter. Your chapter is finished today. Okay, so we are going to do some shortcut keys today and you are going to write it. Okay, some shortcut keys we have already done, and now I am again giving you some shortcut keys. Okay, so your today's shortcut keys are here. I am writing it. To give single line spacing, I am making it little bit small letter. To give single line spacing. Okay, write with me beta. Okay, everyone will write with me. So what is the shortcut key for that? If you want a single line space, wait a minute, spelling is wrong. Why? Because my keyboard is just typing twice. Okay, so control plus 1. Okay, CTRL plus 1. Okay, if you want double line spacing, to give double line spacing. Okay, you want to give a double line spacing. So what is your shortcut key? CTRL plus 2. Okay, it means CTRL and 2 keys together. You will press CTRL and 2 keys together. Second plus 2 keys together. 2. Okay, and what is for 1.5 line spacing? For 1.5 line, to give 1.5 line spacing. It's CTRL plus 5. Okay student, it's CTRL plus 5. So this is your shortcut key for your document. Okay, clear to everyone? This is your shortcut key for your, and what is the shortcut key for printing a document? To print document, it's very easy. I hope you all have learned it. To print a document, what it will be? You will write by yourself. This you will write by yourself. I will not give you answer for this. Okay, you will write it by yourself. Okay, some more extra shortcut keys. Let's see. Now shortcut key for subscript. Subscript the text. Subscript the text. For subscript text, control plus equal to. Okay, CTRL plus equal to. Okay, this is your CTRL plus equal to. Okay, and for making your text superscript, superscript the text, superscript, wait a minute, superscript the text. Okay, this is superscript the text, this is CTRL plus shift plus CTRL plus shift plus plus. Okay, so CTRL plus shift plus plus. Okay, plus plus. So this is your to subscript the text. For example, I want to subscript this, superscript this. So control shift plus plus. See, control shift and this. Okay, clear to everyone? So this is how you can superscript your text. Clear to everyone? This is superscripted. For subscript, let me show you this S to be subscript. Okay, control and equal to. This is not. Control and equal to. Control plus Z. Okay. Okay, so S I am going to subscript. Wait a minute. So control and equal to. See, this S is subscripted now. Okay. So thank you everyone. Keep watching the video. And whatever the query you have, just come in Zoom class. So have a nice day.